So this is what you will see. This is called My Zone. This is once the device is booted up, once the netbook or nettop is, nettop or netbook is booted up. This is what you'll see. This is called My Zone. Okay? And specifically designed with a lot of constraints in mind. First of all, you have a smaller screen. So we worked very carefully and very hard to optimize the real estate and what you put on that screen and try to remove the clutter around the device. And so this menu bar pops in and out, and we'll have a demonstration of that later today. It pops in and out when you want it. By just putting your mouse up above, it'll drop down and you can participate in other areas of the user interface. So on this user interface, it has 4 main areas. The first one, and actually one of the design concepts I want to point out is, when we focused on this with the user studies, we wanted to build an interface where with one click, with only one click, you can get to 90% of what you want to accomplish when you open up your netbook and start participating with it. So with one click, 90%, that's our design goal. And so we call it the snack and go, where people want to pop it open, get it up fast, connect it to the internet, and to start participating very quickly. And so with that in mind, the first area is your appointments area. This has your schedule, the appointments you're committed to. Right here, you can see it very easily. The second area is your application area. This area has all the applications you've recently accessed or ones that you've actually pinned onto this page. So you can actually pin your favorite applications right here on this area. So quickly get access to your applications. This area in the middle, this is where all of your recently accessed documents or media are all available. So anything that you've accessed recently is all available right here. So it shows you what you've done since the last time you participated with the device. And finally, the most exciting area, which I really like, is your social networking space. And this is where all the integration, we have a social infrastructure integration capabilities in this device, where we can integrate social networking things like Flickr, Twitter, Last.fm, MySpace, and others, so that as somebody tweets you or somebody puts a picture up there from Flickr or Last.fm, somebody suggests you listen to a song, it pops up. And so this is live. This is all live feed. So as you're looking at your M Zone, somebody actually can pop up and tweet you, and you'll see it instantly, and you'll be able to engage with that person, respond, or however you choose to go forward. And then with one click, you can go to that and start engaging with them. The other very interesting thing is, we'll show in the demo, is this little button here is called the status. And when you click on that, it actually has a drop-down interface for you to update status on any of these social networks. One line, just type it in and click go. And it has an API that goes and interfaces with that social network and puts it out there for you. So you don't have to launch and log in and do all the things you normally do when you want to tweet somebody or you want to update a Facebook comment. You can actually just do it from this menu, and it automatically updates it into whatever social network you're participating in. The other social networking area is this button here. This is where you communicate with friends. An example is IM. So when you click on this, it'll show a picture of all your friends, and again, we'll show you a demo of this. I think Guy will show you this. It shows you all your friends, and you can actually start engaging and IMing with them from this one button. The other thing we've optimized on this is the browser. We use a Mozilla-based browser, but we've optimized it for the hit space, performance, power consumption, and folded in the capabilities of the clutter-based interface that we talk about for Moblin. And finally, we have a media device, or media player, which actually aggregates all of your pictures, your videos, and music into one area and allows you to consume your media very, very easily in a very compelling way. And I hope you will show that as well. Okay, so let's go back to the previous foil. So I think I covered all those things. And one last thing, so these are showing you some of the screens. So for example, I talked to you about the IM area. This is the picture of your friends and their status. So if you want to know where they're at, what their status is, it's all very easy to find. And then this is the media area we'll talk about more. And then finally, the key part about this whole interface, as we're working with our partners, the OEMs and ODMs in the space, along with the OSVs, are going to deliver the productization of it, is it's customizable. All of them would like to project their image, project their branding on this, and so they can actually modify the user experience to project their brand and to project their image. Add capabilities in the menu bar, add an application that's critical to them. All those things can be done, which is really compelling when you have a user interface this robust. Okay?